Hi, welcome to today's vlog. Good morning. What's that? What's that? So I had full intentions of waking up early, going to the gym, going to the grocery store, and like being super productive today, and it's now 10 o'clock, and I'm just about to leave the house. Not even to do anything productive. I'm just getting Starbucks. Also, I have a roommate now. This is my brother. Do you want to do a cook with me video?
I mean, not particularly, but...
Post-workout, protein full meal. Okay, I'm going to get coffee.
Have fun.
I will. Okay guys, I started this vlog super weird, but I'm currently in the drive-thru line at Starbucks. As always, I don't work today, which I'm so excited about, so I'm gonna try to be as productive as possible. I feel like my life is a mess and I need to organize stuff, like physically, like my room I need to organize, but I also just have to do like emails and stuff on my laptop and like organize that kind of stuff as well. So I'm excited to vlog. You guys want more, so I'm giving you more. I wanted to go to the gym, but I woke up and my neck really hurt, like this whole right side, and like I can't like turn and like look all the way that way right now, so I didn't want to hurt myself. I probably just slept on it funny, like it's not that big of a deal. But yeah, so while I was out, I decided to stop at my parents' house just to pick up something, you know, no big deal. So your girl's got a passport. Usually with a passport comes some traveling. So I have some super exciting news. I'm going to be going on a trip with EF next month. I literally leave in like 4 weeks to go to Europe. Guys, you have no clue how happy I am to be going on this trip and how excited I am, and just, I've never been out of the country before. I've never flown alone. I've never done pretty much everything that this trip is going to consist of. So I'm so excited, so freaking excited. Guys, I literally cried. So yeah, my passport just got delivered. Let me know what kind of travel videos you guys want to see. Obviously, I've been brainstorming, I have some ideas, but I want to know if you guys want like packing videos, if you want outfits or like haul videos, if you want like a travel diary. I know people used to do more like travel diaries instead of vlogs, or if you want both, like just let me know. Okay guys, so I've been cleaning kind of, I'm so bad at this because I get distracted really easily, but I've been cleaning for a little while now. It's been a long time since I've showed you my like office filming room, even though I end up filming in my bedroom all the time anyways. So in case you guys aren't like even familiar with what I'm talking about right now, when I moved in with my grandma, I'm currently in the room that was like set up as the guest bedroom, but then I took over the other bedroom. I'm supposed to be using this as like a beauty room, but essentially it's turned into my clutter room. Obviously, most of the mess is clothing. I can't believe I'm showing you guys this. It's just, it's bad, okay? Believe it or not, it's not even as bad as it was. But yeah, I'm about to tackle this pile of clothing. So everything is looking much better. I'm actually about to take a little break from cleaning. I'm gonna get showered and dressed for the day. I'm also pretty hungry, so I'm gonna make some food, and then I wanna run out. I wanna go to one of our like home decor stores. There are a few things that I really wanna get for in here, and also just like organization things like bins or containers. So I'll vlog when I do that, and then I also wanna run to Trader Joe's. So I will take you guys along with me when I do those errands. Furniture shopping. AKA lounging in the display chairs.
Not getting a whole lot done.
No, we just literally walked in the door. Let's go peruse.
Ooh.
Normally I'm the one that's holding the
Third person omniscient.
Here we have six plants.
Zero, I think.
Here we have a lamp. Here we have knobs. Here we have more lamps. is me being me when I'm not on camera.
Yeah?
I walk around and I make faces like that.
No.
Yes.
That's not you at all. Ooh, gold.
I need something that has multiple shelves on it.
Yeah. You know what store I think has a bar cart?
What?
The Container Store.
Do they actually?
Yeah, they have bar carts, Cube.
Alex used to work at the Container Store, that's why he's saying that.
Yeah. We don't just sell containers, we sell solutions.
I want like that, but I want gold.
Paint it gold.
I don't want to buy
It's
something
copper, Cube. It's nice though, it's copper. Why you want that all gold though?
That one's really wobbly.
Wobbly wobbly. It's a wild errand.
No, I want like this gold. They have one on the website. I look like I'm out in my pajamas right now.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Let's see the OOTD, Cube. Do a little spin for me. Come on. See? There you go. Will you let me sweep you on your feet? Alright, so we just finished up at home.
Alex is gonna do a little home decor haul for you guys.
Oh yeah.
I'm driving.
In the car. I got this. So we got these shelves. Open air shelves, 3 of them. Well, it's a container.
It's a little jewelry tray.
Yeah. Next we've got these pink slash. Yeah, no, they're just pink boxes. Little bins you can use. You can, says you can make space. Moving on to the third item that we got.
Surprise.
Ooh, what could it be? It's all wrapped up, guys. Ooh.
So one of the things that I really wanted from at home, the store that we were just at, was a gold bar cart to organize all of my makeup on, because I don't really know what to do with it right now. So that way they're all together, because I have a lot and it's like in my bathroom, in my bedroom, in my office. So I'm gonna get a bar cart. So we're just gonna run into Home Goods. If they don't have a bar cart, we're leaving. I'm not shopping for anything else.
Mm-hmm.
That's the plan. And break. Guys, Home Goods was a success. Also, I bought stuff other than the cart because it's Home Goods. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's now because I want to get some groceries.
I'm gonna trade with Joe.
Yeah, that's why.
Undo it, come on. Multitask. No, come on, you got this. Here. Here, work with me here.
Okay.
Hold on, 1, 2, 3. Woo!
I'm gonna need another one for the lime.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Just put them in. So you got it.
Well, because I have both of my hands now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do we got?
Chocolate covered honey grams.
Ew.
Did you say ew?
Yeah. I like chocolate covered pretzels though. And ice cream.
I want to try these.
What are they?
It's like a s'more.
Let me see.
It's marshmallow and graham cracker. I want to try that.
Did you ever try wasabi nuts?
Ew.
You never had those? Those look good.
So we just got home from Trader Joe's and I decided that I'm gonna do a little bit of a grocery haul. Now, keep in mind, I live with my grandma. She does like 99.9% of the grocery shopping, so I don't really have to like go out and get myself food all the time. But recently I feel like I've been eating out a lot with work, so like I'll just grab lunch and I'll go to places like Chick-fil-A or Panera, which have healthy options, but I'm always eating unhealthy. So I wanted to go and just like get some stuff that I could make my own lunches with. Also, I've been pondering the idea of clean eating. And by clean eating, I mean eating healthier than what I'm eating right now, because pretty much I eat whatever I want, whenever I want. So I picked up some like vegetables and salady things, which are unlike me, but I want to see how it goes. Okay, so this is everything that I got when we were at Trader Joe's. So I grabbed a bag of baby carrots, a bag of the little peppers, oranges, cherry tomatoes, 2 lemons and a lime, a salad, like lettuce mix, and then I got this pre-made salad for days that I might just be like really running late, but I also kind of just wanted to try it. And then 3 not healthy things that I got are animal crackers, these s'more chocolate things, and then my favorite chocolate bar of all time. So obviously this is like a really random mix of stuff, but the oranges and the carrots I will take with me to work as a snack. And then I figured the tomatoes and the peppers and the like greens mix I could use to make little salads. And then lemons I put in my water, and Alex puts lime in his, so that's what that's for. So super random. Not a big grocery haul by any means, but I figured I would still show you guys. I'm gonna try and scare Alex.
Dude, I know you're...
No, you don't. You don't know I'm Sam. How, what? How'd you figure it out?
Well, I thought about it, and then I didn't see you over in the little area, so I was like, and I saw your shoulder, so.
I just wanted to scare you, darn it. All right, leave it to me to be finishing this vlog like 5 days later, but I wanted to give you guys a final little look at my office and the progress that I've made on it so far. Completely different from when you guys last saw it, when I was like cleaning up the mess on my floor. So I have a floor now, I have a desk now. Actually, I had the desk, but you couldn't really see it. So this stuff, obviously, I still kind of have to figure out. Most of it is stuff that I'm gonna be selling on Poshmark or donating, or stuff that my sister wants. So that's what all of that stuff is. But the bookshelf, I ended up putting some scrapbooking paper in the back of it the other day, which I think makes it look so cute. I'm still not like obsessed with the way that it's laid out or anything. I was just trying to kind of get an idea of what it looks like. But I did the bookshelf. That's the little bar cart kind of thing that I ended up buying from Home Goods. That is all my makeup. Everything fits in there really, really well. And then I have my little desk area, which I'm obsessed with. Those were hanging above my bed at my parents' house. You guys probably recognize those. But yeah, I've made a lot of progress, like I said. So I'm definitely going to do like an official office tour once I'm completely finished and satisfied with this room. I have a few other things that I'd like to do to it. I feel like it's still just kind of bland right now. You know, it looks cute, but it doesn't really look lived in, if that makes sense, if you guys know what I mean. So I'm not completely done with it, but I'm just really happy with the progress I've made so far. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's actually all completely like edited and ready to go. So I'm just throwing this in at the end of it. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what other videos you want to see, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.